So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So in this video we will learn how to import a text file in an Excel workbook. Okay, so as you can see, I will show you. See, I have one text file named May 2015 sales. Okay, if I will open this, you can see the data in this. I have the data, sales data, and in this all the fields are divided using a tab. Okay, so we can call it as a tab delimited text file also. So how to import this data into your Excel workbook? So if you will copy simply and if you will paste it. Okay, so that also you can do, but sometimes if the space and all are not proper, like you can see here, the data is not in the proper single column. So these type of files, if you will import, you will copy and paste in the Excel, that will not go in the proper column. So how to import that text file in the Excel workbook, I will show you. Okay, so as you can see the Excel. Okay, first what I have to do, you have to do this, you have to write some VBA code first. So go to your developer tab. Okay, in this you can see macros and Visual Basic in the left side. So click on Visual Basic. Okay, this tab is open now. Okay, I will make it little bigger, and here you can see this is a blank. Okay, so what I will do, I will uh, insert a module first. Okay, module inserted. Now I have to run some procedure, some of the codes I need to run. Okay, so what I will do, I will insert again, and here you can see the option procedure. Click on procedure. You can give any name to your procedure. So I am going to import a text file, so I will give like text file 1. Okay, this is my file name, procedure name. And after that, already type sub is selected and scope will be public. Okay, just click on OK. Now you can see the screen. You have to write some codes inside this procedure so that you can import that text file into your Excel workbook directly. Once you click, and directly you can import it. Okay, so what I have to do first I have to like define a variable. Okay, first I will define a variable for this. So what you have to write, give a variable. I will give text file. Okay, variable as a workbook. My text file is my variable. I will define that text file as a workbook first. Workbook. Okay, next step is you have to open the text file inside a workbook. Okay, you have to give the location of the workbook. So first what I have to give, I will give text file. So before this I have to set this command. Okay, so you have to give like type set. Okay, here, and now text file is equal to, okay, this variable which I have defined will be is equal to workbook. Okay, now you have to give the location. Okay, so workbook dot, you have to open, you have to, you need, you what you want, you have to open the workbook inside, you have to open that text file inside the workbook. Okay, so you have to just give open. Okay, now you have to give the address. Okay, address of the text file where it is located. So I have my text file inside this folder, which is Excel files, and it is inside Windows C. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on this first, and from here you can copy the location. Just select it, Control C, go to your Excel VBA tab. Okay, this is my Excel VBA tab, and I will give the location. I will paste the location. After this is my folder location. Now I have to write my that file location. Okay, file name you have to write. Just give a black backward slash, and now you have to type the file name. So what is your file name? My file name is May 2015 sales. Okay, so what I will give, I will just write it here, May 2015 sales. What is the format of the text file is .txt. So along with this, you have to give the format type txt. Okay, and yeah, this whole should be inside this inverted. Okay, everything should be inside this, and now you have to close the tab. Okay, I think I did something. Yeah, now close bracket. My command is ready. Okay, my command is ready, my codes are ready, what I require to open a text file inside a workbook. Okay, so what I have done, first I have inserted a module, okay, because it was a blank, and I have to set some procedure inside the VBA. So I have inserted some procedure. After that, I have defined a variable, and then I have set the text file location I have given so that Excel can open it using this VBA code. Okay, I have given the location of that text file. So what will happen after this, what to do? So once it is done, you have to run this code. Okay, you have to run this command. What you have to do, how to run it? So click anywhere inside this command, and here you can see file edit. In the right side, if you will go, you can see after debug run is there. So just click on run, and in this you will see an option of run sub/user form. Okay, so you can run it directly using F5. So I will use this first. Just click on it, and once I clicked, you can see a tab separate workbook open, and in this you can see the files which were there in that text file, what were the data was there in the text file. Automatically it is open inside a workbook, and name also it is saved, what text file name was there, May 2015 sales, the same name is saved as a workbook name, and I got my data inside this workbook. Very easily done. Okay, just 2-line code, just you have to type only, you can see only 2-line code I have written inside a VBA, and once you run it, your text file inside the workbook, all the data will be inside the workbook. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this, how to use it and how to open the text file inside a workbook. Just you have to type some codes. First you have to define a variable, then you have to give that, set the text file, that variable which you have defined, you have to give location of that file which you want to open, and just run the command, everything will be done. So this is a very interesting part. Like using this VBA, you can do anything inside the Excel. Just you have to type some of the commands. If you are if you got some more experience inside the VBA, you can do anything inside the Excel. This was how we have imported the text file inside the workbook. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you learn, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and guys, please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, for this time, bye bye, and just take care. Bye bye.